Mangwabe, Makhumalo, and Mayeni are complaining about Makwela and Macele are not working like them. Those people are the one who made their choices to go to work, and now they are blaming Musamselek why other wives are not working. Musamselek told Macele not to go to work, even Makwela, and they listen. If they don't want to work, it's their choices. Those people, they made their choices to go to work. Mangwabe and Mayeni are going to work every day, but at end of the month, Musamseleku is providing equally for them, Macele, Mayeni, Mangwabe, including Makhumalo, because Musamseleku is not providing for Makhumalo. But when it comes to Mangwabe and Mayeni, especially Mangwabe is the one who gave Musamseleku excuses not to have other kids because she is busy at work. But Musamseleku can't ask or to see how she is doing with her own salary. Mangwabe can't maybe to point that I do 1, 2, 3 with my salary, even one thing Mangwabe, but she says she is busy. So Mangwabe and Macele, there is no different. Macele is sitting at home, but she is doing better with that small money Musamseleku is giving her. Those people are complaining why Macele is not going to work and Makwela. There is no need to compare other people with them. That's why another wife is not working. Musamseleku didn't force them to go to work. Musamseleku, Mayeni was the one who was complaining that she want work. Musamseleku find work for Mayeni. Even Makhumalo, Musamseleku didn't force them to work. Sometimes Musamseleku is not about he can't take care of them. He can't provide for them. Musamseleku, for those wives, are the one who took a decision to go to work, and after that they are always complaining. Even Mangwabe, why she was complaining other wives are not working, we are going to work, what. Like Musamseleku was the one who forces her to go to work. Musamseleku maybe at the first time told her not go to work, you understand? But Musamseleku, she is doing what their wishes, you understand? Musamseleku, guys, we can say he is a bad person, but when it comes to people, you can fulfill their wishes. Musamseleku gave Makhumalo advices about the business, what, and Makhumalo learned a lot from Musamseleku about the business. Even he can't contribute, but Makhumalo learned something about Musamseleku. And Musamseleku didn't say, Makhumalo, I don't want my wife to have businesses. We saw Makhumalo join Housewives of Durban, some of the programs Makhumalo she was joining on television, but he didn't say, I don't want to go to work, you understand? Because he saw those wives, they want to go to work. Mayeni doesn't have a job. He find a job for Mayeni. But when he met Mangwabe was a nurse. And you can't say to a woman who have got a career to say, quit your job, who have got a serious career. So Mangwabe was complaining why Musamseleku told Makwela to quit a job. Makwela was working far from Musamseleku, and he saw that job maybe was not serious like her job. Mangwabe was a nurse. Maybe Makwela was working at restaurant. So sometimes even Makwela, sometimes it's her choice to quit a job, because if you want that job, you can't quit. Even Musamseleku told you to quit a job. So there is no need to compare themselves with other wives. If Macele want to be a housewife, she want to stay at home eating her husband's money, it's her choice. Even Makwela. So there is no need to compare, because at end of the month, Musamseleku gave them, provide for them equally. Macele says that those wives, they can being provided by Musamseleku, even the grocery, the money, Musamseleku gave them equal money, including Makhumalo. Musamseleku doesn't provide any cent to Makhumalo. But to Mayeni and Mangwabe, even they are going to work. We didn't saw Musamseleku asking them what they are doing with their salary. We didn't see even the one thing, even Mayeni can point that I do 1, 2, 3 with my salary. So there is no need to compare themselves with Macele and Makwela, because it's their choices. If they want to stay at home, they can stay. No one forces them to go to work. It's their choices to work. It's not about if they quit the job, Musamseleku can't provide for them. He can provide because now it's the same. They are going to work every day, but at end of the month, they are demanding all of the things to Musamseleku. Musamseleku have got stress to pay their houses. Those houses is in loan, guys, took a loan. He is stressed to pay the loan of those houses in Durban. They don't provide for anything.